Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8, video number 24, quadrilaterals, section A, easy. Let's start. In the given figure, this figure, RT is parallel to SQ, RT is parallel to SQ. Find angle QRT, and these are the separate angles given. Remember, RT is parallel to SQ. Now once we know something is parallel, you must always remember three types of angles. What? Alternate, interior and corresponding. Right? See this. Alternate, interior and corresponding. Generally we require alternate interior angles and alternate same side interior angles and corresponding angles. These are the three types we generally require. These two are extra, but you can learn them also. Alternate interior, alternate exterior, same side exterior, same side interior, okay, and corresponding one. So you must always remember these three types of angles, or you can say 5 now. Okay, so let's start. In triangle PQS, 100, P is 100, Q is 40. So angle PSQ will be what? Total is 180. In any triangle, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. So 100 plus 40 plus PSQ equals to 180. Therefore PSQ equals to, add this 140, goes over here, remains 40. So PSQ equals to 40 now. Okay. Now you know PSR totally, that is 85, and PSQ is 40. So QSR will be how much? 40, this 85 minus 40, that is 45. Okay. Now you got QSR. Okay. Now in triangle QSR, take this triangle QSR. Okay, what is it? 45, this is 45 plus 70, okay, plus this angle Q means SQR, okay, equals to 180, right? Again same logic, sum of all angles of a triangle equals to 180. So 45 and 70, you know, add them, it becomes 115, and then subtract it from 180. So SQR equals to 65. Okay, now we got angle SQR. So SQ is parallel to RT, right? So SQR and QRT are what? Alternate angles, and alternate angles are always congruent. So angle QRT becomes what? Then same as SQR, that is 65 degrees. So that's what is required. So angle QRT equals to 65 degrees. Next, the ratio of two sides of a parallelogram is 3:5. Its perimeter is 48. So the sides of the parallelogram are here. A ratio of two sides means these two sides. Always in any parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this is 5. So this. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.